Hi, I'm Corey McDonald, Quality Control Manager with First Texas Homes. Let's talk about care and maintenance for your natural stone countertops. A couple items need to be done regularly with them. Number one, cleaning. When you're cleaning your natural stone countertop, you want to use warm water or a natural stone cleaner. You want to avoid all abrasive chemicals such as a bleach-based cleaning for the item itself. Number two is just regular cleaning on the items after use. So if you're cooking, eating, sitting things on top of the countertop itself, you want to clean after use by using the warm water. If you allow items or liquid to sit on the countertop itself, that will seep into the stone and leave stains. The countertop itself does come with a sealant, but that's not going to prevent those stains from sitting in. Just remember, with regular care and cleaning on your natural stone, you can make them look beautiful at all times. If you still have questions and concerns about maintaining your natural stone countertops, your quality control manager at your orientation will be giving you one of these sheets. It's a care and maintenance item from Allied Stone.